Hi guys, today we're gonna see 3 strategies on how to make money with your 3D printer. I'm Richard, this is 3D Printing for Money. Let's get down to business. In your quest for finding ways to 3D print for money, maybe you stumbled on some YouTube channels talking about selling your services or selling your prints or a combination of both. But usually they don't give you a clear idea on what to do and where to do it. Why? Well, they don't run a 3D printing business. On daily basis, I run a 3D printing farm, so I learned a lot on what to do and what not to do when managing a 3D printing business. So let's see them. These 3 tips are based on your personal skills. Why? Because maybe when starting out you don't have design skills, maybe you don't have 3D technical skills to make a print you designed. So strategy number 1 could be print random stuff from public libraries. There are a gazillion of items freely downloadable, and the most furnished libraries are very known are Thingiverse, Codes 3D, My Mini Factory. You can start from here and download stuff that have a free commercial license and start selling them on a marketplace. You can scout on eBay, on Etsy, on Amazon, all the folks that are making bank printing random stuff from public library. If you're starting out, be careful of the ones with a non-commercial license. You can't sell them without a specific authorization from the maker or the artist. But if you really like that design and you see it has a non-commercial license, you can write to the maker and offer a percentage of the profits you make from those sales. There are many other websites as Yegi, GrabCAD, Prusa Printers. These websites are focused on specific niches. For example, GrabCAD is focused on generic 3D files, some of them also very detailed but not ready for 3D printing, so be very careful when you download files from there. If printing random stuff isn't enough for you, let's see strategy number 2. Print your own designs. If your drawing and technical skills are at par, you can 3D print your products and offer them on the market. There are many ways and channels you can offer your 3D prints, and every one of them have a specific audience. If you're printing personalized items, Etsy is the way to go. If you're making less customized things, that could be props, Nerf accessory, vases, eBay and Amazon are a more viable place to sell them. Also, you're making more industrial things with special materials. Websites as Shapeways can be a great place where to start. Also here, if you want to see what others are doing, just type 3D print on Etsy and on Amazon and on eBay, and you can see all the products people offer on the market as their own. As for strategy number 1, be aware that all marketplaces and all platforms will get a cut from your sales. Like it or not, you must comply. See it like a marketing cost. It's the price you have to pay to put your products in front of a free audience. If instead you're focusing on a single niche, a custom-built website could be the right choice. Why? Well, a custom website allows you to choose the layout, the branding style, and what you want to communicate and highlight your product features. Even more, if you want to sell to companies and make business to business, B2B, having a website will open more doors than having a seller account on eBay or Amazon. Having success 3D printing your products will require you to rig a 3D printing farm. When you have seasonal peaks or dozens of orders coming daily, you can't rely on 1 or 2 machines. You will need more firepower. If you don't want to rig a farm, you can go directly with strategy number 3. You can sell the digital version of your design, especially if you are in the cosplay niche. There is much less work than have to print, prime, paint, and finish a 3D prop. Today, with the availability of cheap 3D printers, selling digital items is becoming a very lucrative market. Why? Because people just download your file and print it at home. If you're selling a digital item, do you still need a 3D printer? Well, yeah, I think there's 2 good reasons to having a 3D printer even if you're selling digital items. Reason number 1, having your own 3D printer will allow you to verify the correctness of the print and if needed to do little tweaks to the model before selling it. Number two, if the model is very complex or is wearable, trying it firsthand will ensure you that it works and it fits. Guys, really, the last thing you want after a sale is a customer coming back to you and complaining that the 3D print broke because of a faulty design. Where to sell your works? Well, Amazon and eBay don't allow you to sell digital items. Etsy is still a good solution, but people really interested in digital items shop on different marketplaces like TurboSquid, CZ Trader, Gambody. There are tons of places where to sell your digital items, but especially when starting out, choose the most popular platform. You'll have the biggest audiences and more chances to make a sale. So we saw these three strategies. The fourth strategy is the combination of the previous three strategies. What do I mean? If you have the technical skills, you can download freely available 3D prints and sell them. You can design your own products, and also you can sell a digital version of your product. This is the best strategies because sum ups all the previous three and can give you the best results in the short and long term. Special marketing tip: focus on one niche at a time. Put your products in front of potential customers on social platforms as Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, you name it, because you never know where a potential customer could be. So guys, if you want to learn how to make more money with your 3D printer, I wrote a book. It has tons of tips and tricks on how to scale your 3D printing business. Now go out there and make some money. See you in the next one.